In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring donations in Stripe. If you want to accept ongoing support from donors on a monthly or yearly basis, Stripe makes the process pretty straightforward. The main idea is that you'll create a donation product with recurring pricing, then generate a payment link or checkout page that people can use to subscribe and donate automatically. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard. This is where you'll manage your products, payments, and subscriptions, so it's the central place for the entire setup. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. This section is where Stripe stores the products and pricing options you want to offer, including donation plans. Next, click Create Product. You'll now be taken to the setup page for a new product. In the product name field, enter a clear name for your donation option, something like monthly donation. It's a good idea to choose a name that donors will easily understand when they see it during checkout. After that, go to the pricing section and select recurring. This is the key setting that turns a one-time payment into an ongoing donation. Once recurring pricing is selected, you can enter the donation amount, choose the currency you want to collect in, and select the billing interval, such as monthly or yearly. Be sure to choose the interval that matches how often you want donors to be charged. When everything looks correct, click Add Product. At this point, your recurring donation product is saved and ready to be used in a payment flow. The next step is to create a payment link or a checkout session using the recurring donation product you just made. This is what gives donors a secure page where they can enter their payment details and complete the subscription. A payment link is usually the quickest option if you want something simple to share right away, while a checkout session can be useful if you're integrating it more directly into your website experience. Once that's ready, share the payment link with your donors or embed the checkout page on your website. This is the step where your recurring donation setup becomes live and available for supporters to use. Finally, verify that successful donations appear under payments and subscriptions in your Stripe dashboard. This is important because it confirms that charges are being processed correctly and that recurring donor subscriptions are active as expected. And that's it. You've successfully set up recurring donations in Stripe. Thanks for watching.